awesome. Welcome back, everybody. I'm glad you came through to check the conclusion of this illustration project. This is part 2 of 2. If you have not checked out part 1, I strongly recommend you go back to the channel, check out part 1. That way you can feel and see the whole experience from beginning to end. This came from an amazing guide, how to draw digitally with Procreate on an iPad. Strongly recommend the guide to anyone, beginner, intermediate, expert. It's just amazing the way it's broken down, and it was a lot of fun to complete this project. And so now, without any more further ado, I will show you the second time lapse in which it covers everything coloring, lighting, shading, shadows, just everything to get wrapped up. Again, thanks for coming through to hang. Sit back, relax, and let yourself go, and enjoy. project, the first illustration project in this guide. It's a total pleasure to complete. I learned a lot from it. I hope you guys did too. I hope you get inspired to go do it yourself and share it as well. Thanks for hanging. Till next time.